Hello and welcome. Today I come across an interesting error in YAML enter, and this is error E2325. Okay, if this is because the previous Vim editor Vim session crashed, or you opened the same file in two Vim editors, or you did not exit properly. So what I have to do? So here you have to press edit anyway and swap it. Okay. Then delete the swap file manually. Means rm hyphen f dot cka tips .yaml .swp. So now if you ck tips, this will open. Okay. Otherwise, it is very difficult to do the work. You can find any swap file with the a grep.swp. So here is no swap file, and you can remove all swap file with rm. Okay,